So what I'm doing in this video is I'm upgrading my slide catch to an extended one that is also chrome, and my pins are also going to be chrome here and here. I'm going to use my Glock tool, roll of tape, and a small hammer to tap out the pins. Out the first one. And with both pins out, I'm just going to pull out the old one, and we'll do a quick compare. They look very similar, except for a little bit of extended here, and it sticks out a little further there. And besides that, it's a complete drop-in change. Okay, so I've put in the top pin, and this spring right here, when I slide it in, and it's going to be the slot all the way to the left, not the one in the middle, all the way to the left. And I'm going to pop it in, and should be able to see that the hole goes all the way in. So you want to line up the hole, and then what some people I see have suggested is actually putting it in from the back. And test. There we go. Springs back. And I have made sure that the pins are evenly distributed in the holes. And once again, function check.